What if the most dangerous weapons in modern warfare are not jets, not tanks, but cheap gadgets anyone can buy online? In Nigeria's long war against insurgency, a disturbing reality is emerging. Groups with limited money, no air force, no formal training, are finding ways to outthink and outmaneuver trained armies. This is the untold story of how insurgents are using cheap technology to outsmart armies. For years, conventional thinking assumed that superior firepower guarantees victory. Nigeria has fighter jets, attack helicopters, armored vehicles, thousands of trained soldiers. Yet, insurgents, especially in the northeast and northwest, continue to strike, disappear, and strike again. Why? Because modern conflict is no longer about who has more weapons, but who adapts faster. Insurgents don't need billion-dollar systems. They rely on cheap, accessible tools like commercial drones costing less than a smartphone, old mobile phones used as detonators, GPS apps downloaded for free, solar chargers bought in open markets, walkie-talkies, and encrypted messaging apps. With this, they gain surveillance, communication, precision, and psychological impact at a fraction of the cost. Perhaps the most alarming tool is the commercial drone. Originally designed for photography, these drones are now repurposed to scout military bases, track convoy movements, drop improvised explosives, and film attacks for propaganda. In Nigeria, drones have been used to study troop routines long before an attack happens. No radar, no warning, just a small object buzzing overhead. To insurgents, a phone is more than communication. It can be a remote detonator, a timing device, a GPS tracker, or a propaganda tool. Old phones wired to explosive turn into deadly IED triggers. Encrypted apps allow commanders to coordinate attacks without being physically present. One missed signal and a convoy is gone. Insurgents avoid direct confrontation. Instead, they study patterns, exploit terrain, use civilians and forests as cover, strike where security is weakest. Cheap technology gives them information superiority, and in warfare, information is power. An army reacts, an insurgent anticipates. Here's the hardest truth. You can shoot a fighter jet down, but how do you stop a 150,000 naira drone? How do you control online marketplaces, everyday electronics, civilian technologies? This is why modern counter-insurgency is no longer just military. It's technological, economical, and psychological. Nigeria is not alone. But Nigeria's challenges are unique. Vast ungoverned spaces, porous borders, youth unemployment, Technology spreading faster than regulation. Until strategy evolves as fast as technology, cheap tools will continue to challenge expensive armies. In today's wars, the most dangerous weapon is not the most expensive one. It's the one you don't see coming. Cheap, silent, and devastatingly effective. This is how insurgents outsmart armies. And this is how Boko Haram, ISWAP, Izila Kubara, or what do they call themselves? Bandits and the rest of them are using cheap technologies to communicate and to do all sorts of things to the Nigerian army and the innocent civilians alike. But this war, no matter how challenging it is not he that started the war that always wins the war. God being on the side of Nigeria, Nigeria will outsmart the insurgents. Since they came with violence, violence will go after them. All we need to do is to pray for the Nigerian army. I always say that. Let us not criticize them. I see all sorts of comments in some of my videos saying we are hyping them, yet they are doing little or nothing. You would not know what is going on, really, until you have one of your own at the forefront. Real battlefront that see what is really going on, that sees what the Nigerian army is really doing to win this war and how dynamic it is. How communities are not helping the Nigerian army, how the community are frustrating the efforts of the military in winning this war. But as I said earlier on, victory is on our side. Insurgents will never overrun our nation, Nigeria. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. God bless the world. Shalom.